Now, there are some binary compounds that are generally referred to using their common names or trivial names. So these compounds you should be familiar with because they're so common. Okay. So for example, H2O, just referred to as water. You hardly ever hear anyone say that's hydrogen oxide or dihydrogen oxide. Okay, it's just water. Okay, the only time you hear somebody refer to it as dihydrogen oxide is on April Fool's Day when a DJ on the radio says there's a big leak of dihydrogen monoxide, which really means it's raining. Okay, H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. Okay, CO, remember we say we don't use the mono prefix. The prefixes don't include the one. So carbon monoxide, it's just given that mono prefix because carbon dioxide is so common. Okay, so to make a distinction, you say carbon monoxide. NO is nitrogen oxide. It's more popularly referred to as nitric oxide. N2O, okay, is dinitrogen oxide. That's a valid name for it. Or it's also more commonly referred to as nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is the active ingredient in your laughing gas that the dentist gives you to calm it down before he does a procedure on your teeth. Okay. NO, nitric oxide, is an example of what's called a vasodilator. Your body sends that. It's a messenger molecule in the body. It makes your blood vessels dilate, expand. Okay, and so that's like nitroglycerin is used for people with having a heart attack. That's nitroglycerin basically opens up your blood generates nitric oxide, which opens up your blood vessels. Ammonia, NH3. Note the difference between that and this one. NH4 plus is ammonium. NH3 is ammonia. Ammonium is the ion. See, when NH3 picks up an H plus, like that H plus can be pulled away from a water molecule and and that H plus attaches itself to NH3, you get ammonium. Okay, and that's how ammonia also works as what we call a base, because ammonia, if it pulls an H plus away from a water molecule, okay, that hydrogen gives you ammonium ion. That leaves behind what's called your hydroxide ion. So this is where you get those polyatomic ions from. Okay, it's one of those. So N2H4 is hydrazine. That's used in rocket fuel, and we've talked earlier about CH4. That's methane, natural gas, right? That's the main ingredient in your natural gas you use for heating your house or in your stove.